Today we're replacing our DOT tape on the back of the truck. You notice I ain't got none on the back. But that shit up there on top ain't no good. So we're putting on some good stuff. First you use a razor blade scraper to scrape off the old shit as good as you can. And then you got some scissors and a sticker smoosher or a squeegee, however you want to call it, to do the new. So let's get started. Sorry about the angle, but that's all I got. If you look at the your tape, it's very easy to cut square. You just line up them little diamonds. I'm going a tad bigger. Than what was originally on here, because of the fact it'll adhere better to the truck. And you don't want them boys in blue saying, oh, your reflective tape is bad. So, then you drop all your tools. Then you take your squeegee. And voila, it is done. And as you can see, it's perfect. Now to scrape and do that side. Same as the first, just a little repeat. And there it is. Top of the sleeper's done. DOT compliant. I forget the name of the tape, but I'll say it later on. I'll look it up. It's DOT C2, I believe. But I'll make damn sure.